Hi everybody, my name is Adam Meyer. I am back here with another video, and we're going to go over Bitcoin or shitcoin depending on if you made money on it or not, so whatever. We're also going to go over Ethereum here. You got this cool glass pillow, you got the other pillow of Bitcoin behind me, but anyways, we're going to go over what we're seeing here. Is there more upside or is there more downside? So let's go over it here. I'm going to pull it over on my other screen right now. And what are we seeing? So I think everybody and their mom has been bearish on this damn chart. It's going down, 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 down. So what are people doing? They're shorting it. A lot of hedge funds, a lot of people, a lot of retail traders are shorting it. So where does their stop loss go? It goes above these highs here. So like I want to get this in the video just so it's crucial, just so everybody knows why price might go up higher than what it is now. People are trailing their stop losses above these highs, above these highs, above these highs. So everybody that has been shorting up here, up here, here, are all trailing their stop losses here, and they're going short. And everybody that's going short now, everybody that's going short within here is, like, let's say this is a resistance, they're putting their stop losses above here. So that's why I think price could reach up there, but I think it's too late personally to get in. So if you've been in my group chat and everything, you would have noticed that I was personally buying this down within these lows, down within these areas here, from down here, and then just this week alone has been absolutely amazing on some of my crypto portfolios and then long-term ones. But we've been buying down within these lows. You see this accumulation back from November. I had this marked up. I took some buys within here, but really I saw this start to happen with Ethereum the other day. I think it was it Monday? It was the 6th, so that was actually, it was a week ago. It was Friday. So right here is where I started buying in pretty big within this area. Once we saw this rejection here on the daily gap that's sitting right there. Just within the past week, this is just one of the portfolios that I wanted to show you just so it can give someone motivation, so maybe they want to invest some of their own money, obviously educational purposes, but this just shows the power of money making money. This isn't me just showing off, this is me showing how it can be done. If you're looking at like a long-term view kind of things of just looking at how to read a chart or how to just invest in general, this isn't just from all the crypto. Obviously I have other portfolios of my crypto in it, but like this is just one between the NASDAQ, that's NASDAQ, Tesla, Apple, and then Bitcoin and Ethereum are probably my biggest holdings within here, and also the S&P 500. I forgot that one too, but that's like the biggest holding within here. But as you can see, just the power of over time, you get to see price and your portfolios grow. So I just want to throw that in here real quick. But I'm going to continue here what we're seeing on Ethereum and what we can expect to happen. So right here in the weekly time frame, we have a weekly fair value gap here, and we also have this high here, like what I just said about the stop losses coming up above this high. Stop losses here, stop losses here, stop losses here. What do I see way up here though? I have this annotation up on the monthly time frame. Would like to see 50% of this of Ethereum fill in this gap, and here you see the gap. It's right here to right here, and there's a gap. So I would like to see Ethereum eventually get up there, but does it need to happen now? Absolutely not. Could we see more downside before that? Yes, but I would like to see that get up into that zone as well. Same with Bitcoin, up above these highs, up into here, but this could be a long time down the road. We could see a pump like this, come back down and consolidate like that, or we could see it just come down now and then eventually pump back up within here. That's what I'd rather see. I'd rather see this just stall right here, or come take out these highs and then come back down and then consolidate for a longer period of time. So I do want to bring this up. I saw this on Twitter. I can't remember exactly who it was. Let me find it. I don't know why it's not loading right now. Let's see, right here. So this is showing the market emotion cycle of the Bitcoin. Well, overall, the market emotion cycle. Why does it keep doing this? The market emotion cycle. So we have this nice push up, and then it comes down here, and then it starts to work its way down. So it's all the euphoric pressures coming in. Oh, we're going to the moon, and then things start to die off and slowly die off, and oh, everybody's in disbelief. This is what somebody put in. They put in that we are not at the depression levels that are down within here, and to then work our way up. We're actually within the anger area, and I kind of agree with this chart in my opinion. I think we have more time before the Bitcoin halvening and more emotions just to kick in, and we're going to consolidate throughout time. So if we go back to the last bull run, let's go over to it here. We saw this collapse down, and then we started to go sideways for a while, which was within here. And what if we're within this area and then we still have more downside to go, kind of like what we see here. Let me just get all this stuff off my screen. So what if we have more downside to go? Like what if, like right here, like what if we're just in this area and we're just having a little push up, and then we eventually just start to come back down within this area here. So like let's say this is the area we're in. we have one more push down lower, like let's say within here, and then we start to see nice movement up higher, and then we see everything start to happen again after the next Bitcoin halving, and then we start to reach up here in 24, 25, 26 within those years. That would be pretty nice to actually see that happen. So that's my plan, to actually make a lot of money here on Bitcoin, other than this smaller time frame trading. So we have Bitcoin, we have Ethereum, we have these stops above this high, so I'm keeping my eye on that. We're hitting this area right here, right now, and it depends if we break this area or hold it. We're going into the weekend, so right now it's Friday night, and we can just consolidate within here and see what happens. Maybe we retrace on the weekend a little bit, but maybe next weekend we come back up above here. So I think as long as we're above like 18,000, 18,500-ish above this high, I think small little retracements are okay to then reach up to these highs. But even then, it's like I think most of the boat is missed already. I could be wrong. I'm not here to give signals or anything or financial advice. I'm here just a guy on YouTube just making videos about what I predict can happen. Typically, I have been pretty right. Oh my God. But we'll just see what happens here for the long-term investment and also the short-term time frames. But I got to keep everything in mind and just moving money around. But yeah, so let me know if you guys have any questions. Take care, everybody. Love y'all.